Hello, my friends. It's so nice to see you today. You know, one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English is talking about the weather. No fights, no drama, just sunshine, rain, or maybe even snow. So today, let's quickly learn some fun and easy weather words you can use every day. Ready? Let's go!
Hi, Tom. How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
Nice. Yesterday was so rainy.
I know, I almost needed a boat to go shopping.
I stayed inside and watched a movie.
Good idea. Rainy days are perfect for movies and hot chocolate.
True. So, what are you doing today?
I'm going to the park to read a book in the sun.
Sounds relaxing. I might go for a bike ride if it stays sunny.
Fingers crossed. The weather changes so fast here.
Yes. Last week it was sunny in the morning and stormy in the afternoon.
Oh, I remember. My umbrella almost flew away.
Now 10 easy weather words with examples. 1. Sunny. The sun is shining. Example, it's sunny today. 2. Rainy. Water is falling from the sky. Example, it's rainy this afternoon. 3. Cloudy. The sky is full of clouds. Example, it's cloudy but warm. 4. Windy. A lot of wind. Example, it's windy near the beach. 5. Snowy. Snow is falling. Example, it's snowy in the mountains. 6. Hot. High temperature. Example, it's hot in the summer. 7. Cold. Low temperature. Example, it's cold in the winter. 8. Stormy. Wind, rain, thunder. Example, it's stormy. Stay inside. 9. Foggy. Hard to see. Full of mist. Example, it's foggy this morning. 10. Warm. Comfortable heat. Example, it's warm and nice outside. Now it's your turn. Think about the weather in your city this week. Was it sunny, rainy, or maybe stormy? Try to make 2 or 3 simple sentences in English. Remember, every time you talk about the weather, you're practicing real English. Keep learning, keep smiling, and may your days be sunny and bright. See you next video. Bye for now.